morning, guys. It's a beautiful rainy day here in Georgia. It's kind of drizzling, it's cold. It's not good today. So anyhow, so Monday morning we're gonna get the day started early. It's kind of late now, it's after 9, but I started early this morning. So yeah, I'm heading, well, I just left the salon. I just leave the salon, clean up the salon, get everything done over there. It wasn't dirty or anything. Yesterday was a Sunday, so not much people came out, so it's pretty clean. I really didn't have to do anything. You know, just brush up the front and back mat, and you know the drill. So now, I focus mostly on the Peppaz project every day. So now, yesterday, as you seen yesterday's video, I got most of the tile stuff to get the tile done. Framing the other day, I got most of the framing supplies and stuff like that. So now I'm heading over to Home Depot to order all the rest of the plumbing items, like the toilet, the sink. I'm gonna check with them, Home Depot right here. I'm gonna check with them and see if I could get those things ordered. Pretty much I have to order those in because the plumber moving so fast, they're running out of supplies. Although the toilet and all those things is gonna go in afterwards, after we do the tiling inside the inside the bathrooms. We're gonna put the toilets in, but I want to order them and have them in stock and everything. The handlebars, the ADA bars, I'm gonna order all of those things and have them there at the location. That way when that time comes, we have everything. I don't want to be trying to find stuff and I'm saying, last minute order it, it's not there, the price went up, so I order all the supplies, everything we need to get get the job done. We'll get that in. So yeah, so that's why I'm gonna go and get the rest of the tile them yesterday, the cove base tile. I went and got the what you call it, the mortar mix and all of that. I got all of those things yesterday. All right, so just go and stay tuned, guys. I'm on it. I'm at Home Depot now, right here. So I'm gonna figure out what I need for order and go inside and get those ordered. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're here. We're on the road. I left the Peppaz project. I went there this morning just to measure up some stuff. I'm heading down to the door to get the door frames finally. Spoke to the guy's there, so I'm heading over there now. Framing, we're about to start framing over there by the Peppaz project. The wall framing. The contractor just called me and told me that they could get some guys out there today, start knocking it out. So they're gonna start working on it now. So that's why I'm going down to get the door frames, so we could have them frame the door in and everything. So yeah. Go and stay tuned. May I head down to the frame, the place that sells the door frame, and then from there I'm gonna head back up, drop it off, see if they need anything else. So give me a few. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. Alright guys, so this is where you get your doors and door frames for a real good price. All commercial metal door frames. This is where you go. And hardware, door closers, all of that. Alright guys, so we're back at Home Depot. I already got the door frames, dropped them off by the restaurant. They actually started framing. So now I'm getting a few more tracks and 2x4 for them to continue, and some screws. So stay tuned and watch what happens.
Shit. Shit.
Alright guys, so it's coming together. We got the walls in. They just gotta do some more studs right here, and bathroom already framed in, door already framing, this wall back here already framing. So we're gonna roll, guys.